Since it logged me out, the trade could either be playing out or not playing out. It's playing out still. We're up 423. All right, we just got our cut. We looking fresh. My boy Steph got me right as always. Explain to you guys how the contract sizes work. Ooh, 500. Just like that. I'm gonna be closing it right over here. Good morning. Right now I'm running a little bit late to the session, but it is after CPI, so I'm not really worried about it too much. Days like this, CPI, there's no point of trading. There's no point of trying to force anything because the probabilities aren't high, but we about to start everything, get ready with the team, see if we catch anything. If we do, it's good. If we don't, it's fine. I'm not really looking to force a trade today. It is approximately 9:34. Let's just see what we can do. It is Wednesday, April 10th. Wednesdays are usually pretty choppy, so we're not expecting too much, but overall I am bearish, but let's just go with the team. Nah, don't be nervous. I could be wrong. I should be more nervous. I'm recording myself. Now, I just got into shorts on NAS. We got a couple people like Kino going against me. Kino's in logs and shit, but it's cool. I'm not even muted. Fuck it. Who else? We got him going against me. It's a couple of them, but it's only like one or two people that are actually in shorts. But we're going to see what happens. I'm giving myself 2 ideal trades. I'm giving it about 50 points, but we're going to see what happens. Only time will tell. First trade of the day. Hopefully we can get TP though. Definitely got volume, but you know how that should be. Yeah, it stopped at that break even. Real volatile. I think we'll get another trade, Luna. But yeah, we just took the shorts right here. This is the last trade of the day. I took this at the 1 hour run of the high at 9 a.m. It's 10 a.m. right now. I ideally want to see price continue to keep dropping off. I just ended the chat because I do got to go get a haircut. That's where we're about to go. But let's see if we can get this trade to continue running lower. So far, we're up a little bit. We'll see what happens. Only time will tell. Oh, yeah. There we go. Old beauty. All right, we got to go. Can't admire you right now. Not trying to be late to this tang. All right, so right now, I'm in the middle of NAS 100 shorts. This is the trade I was looking for all morning in VIP. I took one trade originally, as you guys saw, but that trade ended up stopping me out at break even. So for the day, I'm only risking about 250 on the trade that I'm already in. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna show you guys, keep you guys updated as I get to this barbershop, but let's go get that. So next time you see me, I'm gonna be looking fresh, hopefully. We just got to the barbershop just now. We about to go get our cut, but keep you guys updated as always. Let's see, this trade ain't loading. What you trying to do? What you trying to say? Oh, it logged me out. Okay. Let's see. Since it logged me out, the trade could either be playing out or not playing out. It's playing out still. We're up 423. Nothing yet. I'm risking about 300. I'm looking for it to target a certain area. Like I'm waiting for it to get to the area. I'm just waiting type shit. Try to be out at a certain time. Ideally, a lot of the time it's just like, I can't control it. I try to get in when I can because that's the only thing I can control. Like when I get in, if I get in at my times that I'm supposed to, that's cool. But it may not play out until I got in at 10:30. It's damn near almost an hour and a half, 2 hours. Yep. All right, we just got our cut. We looking fresh. My boy Steph got me right as always. I'm probably gonna have my hair braided in the next coming months. But we about to get up out of here. We about to head back to the crib. I don't know if my girl's gonna want me to come on her break or not. If she do, then we'll probably have to slide over there. But right now, we're still in the trade. We still haven't hit TP. We're break even nonetheless, so we can't lose money on this trade. This sun is hitting. We can't lose money on the trade. We can only make money. If it hits break even, I make nothing, I lose nothing. It is what it is. But I'm gonna see you guys when we get back to the crib though. All right, we're back at the crib and we can see, I just checked news. So we have FOMC minutes at about 1:20 is in an hour and 22. So more than likely our trade may not play out until we get some volume. Okay, where's trading view? Because right now, it's just giving us a good old retracement nonetheless. So right now it's not looking too good, but we're risk free. So we just gotta wait, see what happens. Maybe if we're in the trade by the time the news comes out, it might play out. But right now, About to take this dog for a walk. You ready? Yeah, you like the sound of that. Let's see what we can get on here. It's not looking good though. Yeah, price still never came down to 200. So it's looking like it's probably gonna stop us at break even. It is what it is. If I could win every trade, we would be rich, girl. I know, we would be rich. Food's almost done. Trade is not playing how I'd want. We'll see what happens. It's 1 o'clock. Let's see. We start getting some volume. Oh, we start getting that volume. But while we wait for this trade to hit, let's hop on the game. We about to hop on that Warzone. Woo. Hit me with that 500. Hit me with that 500. Ooh, 500. Just like that. I'm gonna be closing it right over here. Oh, let it get that 500. Go up a little bit so I can close with that commission. Just like that, close at 511. Or, I'm not sure, just playing around, but I just closed it. Let's see what the day ended off at. Not sure. Okay, hold on. This shit taking forever to update. It's just playing around. All right, when in doubt, refresh the whole damn app because these apps be fucking retarded. All right, that is officially out the trade at $500. Let's see how much we made for the day. Yo, $2 short of 500, 2 days in a row. What the fuck? But we're up 700 on the account almost. And now I played a game after I reset this shit because the internet wouldn't be retarded. And just like that, we out the trade. That did take a little bit. We ended up getting our haircut in the midst of all that trade, but it ended up playing out. Took a little bit longer than expected, but the idea played out. I could have held a little bit longer, but in my opinion, I don't see a point of me trying to hold a trade after CPI, because for all I know, we may not get the TP, we may not fully drop. I'm okay with that $500 for the day, so far we're up about $700. The Xbox just turned on over there, but that's what I'm about to do right now. Every day I don't play games, but when I have a lot of time in between tasks I have to do and I have a winning trade, I may just play some Warzone for a little bit, but that's what we about to do. And then after that, I probably have to go slide on my girl for a break. Then we're gonna go to the gym and just continue doing what we do every single day. Still early, it's only about 2 o'clock. But with that being said, I'm gonna go do that. Hopefully you enjoyed the trade. Let's just continue doing what we do every single day, trying to stay productive, trying to build value, trying to create value, and trying to do things that are going to make us better every single day. All right, so right now I'm just sitting in my room, just getting some work done on the computer, and I wanted to explain to you guys how the contract sizes work on what I trade, which is the micro of NASDAQ, because I was just replying to comments and doing everything with the YouTube, and I saw that a lot of you guys keep asking, how do you calculate the contract sizes? So for this trade specifically, you can see it ended up ranging crazy. This right here, this TP was amazing. You can see like exactly where we got out, which is that wick, and it was just, the rest was consolidation. So for that trade, I was risking $300. I was risking about 50 points. And I was using 3 contracts on the micro. And this is the exact pair right here. So MNQ1, that's what you would want to trade if you're using futures. If you're using Trade-Evate, that's what you would want to trade. If you're using Forex, I can't exactly calculate it. You would just use lot sizes instead of contract sizes. But if you want to know how to use contract sizes, 3 contracts at 50 points was $300 on the micro. So if you just simply divide that, you could do the math. But if you want to see how much it costs if I want to use 2 contracts at 50 points, which is 200 ticks, it would be $200. If I wanted to risk 1 contract at 50 points, that would be $100, which isn't bad. And I recommend you guys only trading the micros just like this. You don't need to trade the minis because the minis are going to be significantly bigger. The micros are just enough. But just like that, that's how you calculate the lot sizes for NAS 100. If you want more of a deeper analysis, just make sure you join the VIP Trading Network where we can explain it to you while we actually trade live. Here, while we're here, I'll continue showing you guys my workflow. So everything just updated. Usually Top Step updates around that 5, 6 o'clock EST time. But you can see the count is sitting at about $698. And it's not bad. Overall, we have 2 winning days at 100% with 1 winning day of $200. It's not bad. Just another day. We're going to continue following the process and be back tomorrow. We're just going for that 30 winning trading day, so we have 1 down, 29 to go. Lastly, I also showed you guys when I recently created this money management plan to calculate how much money I make with everything, trading, YouTube, VIP members, just all my main businesses. So I'm going to be going through all that right here. I'm not going to show you too much, but this is just a little bit of my workflow. With that being said, this is where I'm going to end the video off because, to be honest, I'm not going to be doing anything besides just editing the rest of the night. You guys don't really want to see me editing. If you want to see my editing, let me know. I can show you guys editing because that's also one of the things I'm sitting here doing right now, editing the vlog that you're watching right now. After I finish this data sheet where everything when it comes to YouTube views, how much I made with VIP, how much I made with YouTube, how much I made with trading, I'm gonna just continue editing, get this content out for you guys. This is what the rest of my night is gonna be. But I wanna say thank you for viewing this video. If you haven't liked, comment, subscribe, make sure you do it. And if you haven't got the free course, if you're ready to learn how to trade, ready to learn how to make money trading, how I personally trade, check out the free course. It's completely free. It's nothing. It costs $0. And then once you're ready to actually start trading live, once you're ready to get that experience and trade with the VIP members and trade with the team, make sure you join VIP. Everything is gonna be in the description. But with that being said, stay safe, stay productive, and make sure you stay motivated by the fear of being average.